Pincurl Pearl here. Today I'm going to be showing you a easy vintage 5-minute hairstyle. I like to call this look Ode to Rosie. It's a bandana look with a front barreled rolled curl. This look became popular in the 1940s when the women started to work in factories while the men were away at World War II. Part of the required uniform was a turban-styled scarf or bandana that they wore on their head so that their hair would not get caught in machinery. This look also became iconic with the propaganda poster of Rosie the Riveter. To get started with this look, you'll only need just a few items. You'll need bobby pins, whatever hairspray you have available, a bandana, a comb or brush, and a curling iron. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just brush through my hair really good. And section off the top part of the crown. Just a little section is all you're going to need here. The back of the hair, I'm just going to pin. If you have long, thick hair, you could always braid it and then pin the braid flat to your head. It's not really a good idea to use a ponytail or a bun just because it would stick out in the back, because you want it very flat to the hair. If you have shorter or medium length hair, you can just do what I'm doing and just pinning the hair back flat to the head. It doesn't have to look pretty because the bandana is going to cover it, so really you just want to make sure that it's all pinned up. Just like that. And then you're going to take whatever bandana you decide to use. Make sure that the points here are all together. And you're going to take the bandana, the back of the head, these 2 points, you're going to want to tuck under here. And then just tie it right here, making sure that these 2 points are tucked under. And you're just going to fold these like this, just so you cannot see any of the hair there. And then for this front area, if your hair is super straight, just take any sized curling iron and you're just going to curl the ends under. Doesn't really matter, you just want to get a little curl there so it's easier to roll. I take the hair up. I'm going to give it a little bit of a tease. Smooth it out. A little bit of a spray. And then I'm just going to roll this hair down. So take it all the way to the top, get a nice roll going, making sure those ends are tucked under. And then just roll it down. Once you have it rolled, just take a couple of bobby pins, pin it into place. Trying your best to make sure that you cannot see any of the pins. Give it a couple sprays. I always like to do the flap test, make sure it's not going to flap around anywhere, bob the head a little bit. And I just like to take the points of the bandana, stretch them out, just like that. I like them over to the side a little bit. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a couple of the bobby pins and I'm going to make sure that this is neat on the sides, and I'll just pin one here, the bandana stays into place, and one on the other side. And then just one right in the back. And this is my 5-minute Ode to Rosie. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. In the comments below, let me know what your favorite vintage go-to hairstyle is. And tune in next time to my channel, Pincurl Pearl, your vintage beauty expert.